Hello everyone, my name is Adnan Chamdia. I am teacher related today. Today I am making fire-free healthy watermelon sandwich. Now I am showing you its ingredients. These are the ingredients: tomato, carrot, cucumber, onion, chili sauce, tomato sauce, slice of lemon, leaves, black seeds, black pepper, salt, chili flake, oregano, bread, and mayonnaise. Now I am going to mix these ingredients. 2 spoons of cucumber, 2 spoons of carrot, onion, slice of lemon for taste, pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, oregano, chili flakes. Now the mixture is ready. I am taking 4 slices of bread. This is cap. I am taking this for cutting bread. This is not a bell. So I am putting it there. Now it is ready. Now I am cutting this bread in two equal pieces. Now the slices are ready. I am putting this mixture in slices. Now it's ready. I am spreading mayonnaise and some coriander leaves. Now I am garnishing with these stuffs. First, spreading tomato sauce. And put some tomato. And black seeds. Now it is plating time. I use help from spatula. Come, let's enjoy.